Up. I am going to discuss question number 9, exercise 3.1. Imply that which of the given values of x and y make the following pairs of matrices equal. Opening of square bracket. The elements of first row will be 3x plus 7, 5. The elements of second row y plus 1, 2 minus 3x, closing of square bracket, comma. Other matrix 0, y minus 2, 8, 4. Note of interrogation. This is the note of interrogation I have written. There are 4 options available here. Out of these 4 options, one option is correct. Option A, x equal to minus 1 over 3, comma, y equal to 7. Option B, not possible to find. Option C, y equal to 7, comma, x equal to minus 2 over 3. D, option D, x equal to minus 1 over 3, comma, y equal to minus 2 over 3. Now come out to solution. Solution implies that here you can see there are 2 matrices available here, this one and this one. These 2 matrices are equal. Then here I shall write, given that the pairs of matrices are equal. Given that the pairs of matrices are equal, hence I shall write, hence this is the first matrix. So I shall write here first matrix 3x plus 7, second element 5, second row y plus 1, thereafter 2 minus 3x, closing of square bracket will be done like this, equal to opening of square bracket, it will be the elements of first row 0, y minus 2, the elements of second row 8, 4, closing of square bracket will be done like this. Since it is given this matrix is equal to this matrix, here it is given the pair of matrices are equal. This means that this matrix and this matrix are equal. This is the equality of matrices. Since it is given this matrix is equal to this matrix, therefore the corresponding elements will also be equal. So here I shall write, since 2 matrices are equal, so the corresponding elements will be equal. Here I have written, since the 2 matrices are equal, comma, therefore the corresponding elements will be equal. On that basis I shall write here implied that here you can see the corresponding element of 3x plus 7 will be 0. So here I shall write 3x plus 7 equal to 0, because the corresponding elements of 3x plus 7 will be 0. So here I have written 3x plus 7 equal to 0. So this will become 3x equal to minus 7, imply that it will become x equal to minus 7 over 3. It will become. And now here you can see this one. This one 5 equal to y minus 4. So here you can write very well. The corresponding element of 5 will be y minus 2. Both will be equal here. So you can write 5 equal to y minus 2. It will become y equal to 7. 5 equal to y minus 2 implied that 5 equal to y minus 2. This y of 5 plus 2 will get here 7. We have got this one. Here again you can write y plus 1 equal to 8. Y plus 1 equal to 8. It will become implied that y plus 1, the corresponding element of y plus 1 will be 8. So here I have written y plus 1 equal to 8. So we will get here y equal to 8 minus 1, implied that y will get y equal to 7. We will get this one. Again you will get here implied that the corresponding element of 2 minus 3x will be 4. So here 2 minus 3x will be equal to 4. You will get here minus 3x equal to 4 minus 2. It will become implied that you can write very well. Minus 3x equal to 2 will get. Implied that x is equal to minus 2 over 3 it will become. So here you have got x equal to minus 2 over 3. And here you have got x equal to minus 7 over 3. So here I shall write, since we have got x equal to minus 7 over 3 and same you have got x equal to minus 2 over 3. Here you have got x equal to minus 7 over 3. Here you have got x equal to minus 2 over 3. Which is not possible. It is not possible to write x equal to minus 7 over 3 and x equal to minus 2 over 3, which is not possible. Therefore, option B will be the correct answer, which is not possible. Here you can see y equal to 7, y equal to 7. That is correct. But here you can see x equal to minus 7 over 3. And here you have got x equal to minus 2 over 3. The value of x will be only 1. Here you can see the values of x we have got two values. Two values of x we have got, which are not possible. Hence, the equality is not possible. Hence, two matrices are not equal. Respective elements are not equal. Hence, two matrices are not equal. So here we can't apply the equality theorem on two matrices. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Answer I shall write. Therefore, the option B not possible to find is the correct answer. Option B will be the correct answer. This one is not correct. This one is also not correct. This one is not correct. The option B, not possible to find, that will be the correct answer. So here I have written, therefore the option B, not possible to find. Option B, not possible to find, is the correct answer. You have got. So this is the complete solution of question number 9, exercise 3.1.